Hey everyone and welcome to YouTech. Today we are going to review Wondershare Democreator 8. Democreator is an all-in-one screen recording and video editing software. It lets you capture your computer screen, webcam or both simultaneously. Plus, you can edit your recordings with a wide range of features, making your videos informative, engaging and polished. So it's perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, presentations and even gameplay recordings. The download link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, launch this. Here is the software interface. And here we have two main sections, video recorder and video editor. On the left side we have Cloud Drive and Academy. First up, the video recorder. Click on it and you will be presented with 6 awesome recording options. You can record screen, capture everything happening on your desktop, screen and camera, record your screen alongside your webcam, and focus on recording yourself using your webcam. And you can take your gameplay recordings to the next level, and with virtual avatar you can create a unique virtual avatar and you can also use it for video presentation. Now let's click on screen option. When you click on it, you will be able to customize exactly what you want to capture. Choose from recording your entire screen, a specific custom selection or a specific window. And you can also enable webcam to record yourself alongside the screen capture. You can also turn your microphone and speaker on or off depending on your recording needs. And Democreator has schedule recording. Click on it. This opens a dedicated window where you can set the exact start time for your capture. You can set the start time and set the desired end time. Alternatively, you can define a recording duration. This is perfect for recording online courses, webinars or any time-sensitive event. Next we have advanced settings. You can adjust the video frame rate and video quality to match your needs. Here we have webcam settings. And next we have shortcut keys. Here you can assign keyboard shortcuts for frequently used recording functions, making the entire process even more efficient. So click on the record button to start capturing your screen. And Democreator empowers you to enhance your recording in real time with its initiative drawing tools. You can use the pen tool to highlight specific areas on your screen or the highlighter to draw attention to important details. And if you need to emphasize a concept, shapes like arrows or circles come in handy. And if you want to showcase a specific part of your screen, you can use the spotlight tool to dim the surrounding area and bring focus to your point of interest. And you can also use whiteboard feature, a dedicated space for freehand drawing and brainstorming directly on your recording. Once you have completed your screen capture, simply click the stop button. Democreator seamlessly transitions your recording into the built-in video editor, so you can edit your recorded video very easily. And Wondershare Democreator 8 has upped the game with some impressive new AI-powered features that can significantly enhance your video editing workflow. So first one is AI Beauty Filter. So no need to worry about looking your best on camera. This intelligent feature uses artificial intelligence to automatically enhance your appearance in video recordings. With a single click, you can choose from a range of preset beauty filters. These filters work their magic without creating an artificial look. And you can also adjust the skin brightness settings. In advanced settings, we have skin toning, skin brightness, face shining, chin size, forehead size, eye size, nose size. So this level of customization empowers you to showcase your natural beauty while feeling confident on camera. And Wondershare Democreator 8 also let you remove the background of your video. Simply activate the AI portrait feature with a single click. This powerful AI technology analyzes your video footage and instantly removes the background behind you. And with the background removed, you can easily replace it with any image or video you desire. The AI video background remover is not just about replacing backgrounds, it's about enhancing your on-screen presence. And Democreator 8 makes adding subtitles a breeze. With its AI-powered features, click on the AI subtitles and choose from 3 options: auto subtitles, import subtitles, and manual subtitles. Let's explore auto subtitles. First, identify the language spoken in your video. Democreator supports a wide range of languages. Then with a single click, the AI magic begins. Democreator analyzes your video and automatically generates subtitles based on the spoken audio. Once the process is complete, you will see the subtitles neatly displayed at the bottom of your video. You can customize the style and font size of the subtitles to perfectly match your video's aesthetic. And if you are struggling with unwanted background noise in your recordings, Democreator 8 has the answer: AI Vocal Remover. Simply locate the AI Voice Remover tool and drag and drop it onto your video clip on the timeline. It will analyze the audio and separate the vocals from the background noise. In a matter of seconds, you will see 2 audio tracks appear. One contains the isolated vocals and the other holds the background noise. This allows you to easily mute the background noise track. And Wondershare Democreator has AI Voice Changer. This initiative tool allows you to transform the voices preset in your recordings. Simply select the video clip containing the audio you want to modify and locate the AI Voice Changer feature. Democreator offers a range of preset voice effects to choose from. With a single click, the AI Voice Changer alters the audio in your video. So Democreator lets you add polish to your recordings with a suite of editing tools. Annotate your video with text callouts, arrows, and shapes for clear explanations. You can add different transitions between video clips, and pre-designed templates offer a quick and stylish way to enhance your projects. So overall, Wondershare Democreator 8's AI features are a welcome addition for creators of all levels. They streamline the editing process, improve video quality, and allow you to create more engaging videos. I hope this video gave you a good overview of Wondershare Democreator. If you have any question, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.